Following on the recent introduction of an advanced new SPICE simulation engine for Altium Designer, the last round of simulation updates focuses on the user interface. A major component of the Altium Designer simulation user interface updates is the introduction of the simulation dashboard panel. The panel offers a greatly simplified approach to checking, configuring, running, and reviewing simulations. Verification. Click the button to invoke a series of automated processes and checks, which include the generation of the circuit SPICE netlist, a number of simulation-related electrical rule checks, and simulation model validity checks. The model check will detect components with missing simulation models and models with parsing or pin mapping errors, and also provides the ability to quickly edit and add models. Preparation. Manage simulation sources and probes that are included in the current schematic. Analysis, setup, and run. Configure and run the required simulation analysis. Once an operating point analysis has been run to establish the electrical steady state of the circuit, the computed voltage, power, or current readings at relevant nodes can be shown as labels by selecting the Display on Schematic button in the Simulation Dashboard panel. Results. Display and manage the results of the most recent simulation runs, listed as the available analysis types. The Load Profile option will restore the analysis settings from that run.